look. Oh, yes. Oh. Now then, here's a story. It's about a man who runs a restaurant. A man called Sam the Bellend. Now, he was sitting around in his restaurant, and all of a sudden there was a knock on the door, and he went up to the window and he said, "Oi, fuck off, I'm not open." And they said, "Oh, Sam, don't be such a bellend, we only want a drink." And he says, well, go to that club round the corner then, I'm not open." "What club?" And he said, "Oh, you know, the one that's with a very unlikely name." And one of them says, "What, Cock Badgers?" And he says, no, further down. He says, "Oh, the Fanny Fur Bar." And they said, no, not that either. And they said, "I know the one you mean, it's that horrible little pikey place. I think they call it the H2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King Club." He said, "Yes, that's the one." And a number of other things happened, and it was all very tedious.